welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I apply my super skinny liner and lashes. I first like to make my wing using the e.l.f. Cosmetics black liquid liner, and it retails for $3, which is so affordable. Once my wing is created, I line the inner part of my eye, making the liner slightly thicker as I get closer to the wing.
That's good.
Winged liner is all about the flick of your wrist and having the perfect product that allows you better control. For lashes, I'll be applying these 3D mink lashes, and it's all about how much glue you apply to the lash band and what glue you're actually using. Today I'm using the Kiss Lash Adhesive in black, and instead of me waiting for it to dry, I like to blow on the lash glue just to help it become a little tacky. So I've been applying my lashes for about 2 years now, and there is a trick to apply your lashes. Your tweezers must be placed in the middle of your lashes, but not on the band. And once you place the lash directly down close to your lashes, try not to get the lash band on your actual lash line. You start off in the middle, which gives you a better control. And once the middle is placed, I quickly look up to avoid the end of the lashes getting stuck to my real lashes, and I take the end of the lash and I secure it by placing it behind my natural lashes. Once you're done with the end, the glue on the front part of the lash is super tacky, which is perfect. You want it like that, especially when it comes to securing the inner lash. If you turn to the side and look at your lashes, you'll be able to see if the lash is properly on, or if you have a little bit of space, you'll know you need to secure it closer to your lash line. Once my lash is on the eye, I go over the band to secure it down with the end of my tweezers, or I'll press the lashes with my real lashes together so that they blend nicely. I hope I explained this well. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on how to do liner or how to apply your lashes, make sure you guys let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are